How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Dennis Hughes Fireworks. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a box of fireworks a good friend of mine gave to me. So, you know, there's still good people in this world, and he is one of them. So I greatly appreciate him for this. So, he knew I was doing a pyro channel. He just wanted to give me a gift, so I greatly appreciate it. Well, let's go through the box of goodies and let's see what all we got. Gonna reach in, grab some stuff. Alright, first up we have Neon Mini Fountains by Kingbird First Class Fireworks. Let's see if I can get one out. Take a look at it. Alright, look at that. That is cool right there. So there's 5 pieces in each box. Alright, we're going to set those to the side. Let's see what else we can pull out here. Alright, we got some ice sparklers by Bright Star Fireworks. There's 6 pieces, and it says approximate duration 80 seconds. That's pretty good, so we'll definitely have to check those out. Let's see what else we got in here. Alright, we got some bottle rockets. These are the Air Travelers. Let's see, then we have Arctic Fox by Pyro Predator. But those are pretty good. Never shot any of those before. Let's see, then we have Monster Whistler. Never tried those before either, so looking forward to doing those as well. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, we have Navigation Mark by Brothers Pyrotechnics. Let's see, emits flashes of light. So those are like the little strobe fireworks. Let's see what else we got in here. All right, we have Jump Shot by Showtime Fireworks. That's pretty cool. Don't know exactly what it does, but we're gonna find out. Got 2 of those. Let's see, we have Lightning Fast by Brothers Pyrotechnics also. Looks like this is maybe a fountain, so we'll find out when we light it. We have 3 boxes of booby traps. Those are always fun to play a trick on somebody. So that's neat. Alright, let's reach in here. Alright, we got another Lightning Fast. So we'll put that together with that one. Alright, we have Mega Mini Fountains by World Class Fireworks. That's cool. Alright. Firecrackers. These are Flashbang. Pack of 16. Here we have Mississippi Gambler. There's 12 in that pack. Man, there's a ton of firecrackers in here. Alright, we have Maddox Firecrackers, 16 pack. We have Dynamite Fireworks Supercharged Firecracker, 1.5 inch load, 16 pack. We have Platinum Flash Cracker. We have Viking, the bowed one, pack of 16. Let's see. We have Thunderbomb, 16 piece, super quality firecrackers by Phantom Brand. Well, I know they make some good product. More firecrackers. See, another Platinum Flash Cracker by Red Apple Fireworks. Cajun Cracker. Got a little alligator, crocodile, whichever one on it. Here we got some Whistling Jacks. Huh, that's cool. I've never done any of those before, so that'll be cool. In here, man, there's lots of stuff in there, I'm telling you. You really hooked me up. I appreciate that. Thunder Bomb cracker by Big Fireworks. That is a pack of 16. We got Titanium cracker by Black Label. Let's see, two more packs of the Thunder Bomb by Phantom brand. Just gonna spread everything out. Another Titanium cracker. We have Warhammer crackers, 16 count on that. Man, this might be a 30-minute video. All right, we got Lightning firecracker. Cool little pack. Boom Wow firecrackers. A couple packs of those. The Yooper Thunder Bomb. Oh, those would like that'd be pretty neat. We got Hail Bomb by Pyro Predator. We got Nitro Bomb. El Toro. Some more Platinum Flash. Red Apple. Some more Thunder Bomb. Man. I don't have enough crackers to do for a year. More Thunder Bomb. Flash cracker by Wenda Fireworks. I like Wenda stuff. More Thunder Bomb. Uh-oh, Black Cat. Yes, sir. I love Black Cat. All right. It says firecrackers. Some more Lightning firecrackers. More Titanium. A bunch of packs of those. Reach in here and grab another handful. Nitro Bomb. More Platinum. Flash. More Cajun cracker. Another Viking. Another Flash. Another The Yooper. This is Chinatown Celebration firecracker. Another Lightning. Oh, we got some Legend firecrackers called Uncle Sam's Legend Firecracker. Pack of 16. All right, let's see what else we got. More firecrackers. Reach in the box, pull out some more goodies. Another Hail Bomb. Ninja firecrackers. A pack of 12 Cajun cracker. Some more of the Whistling Jacks. We'll set those right there. Another pack of the Whistling Jacks. Man, that's the firecrackers. All right. We got a big pack of 50 of the El Toro Big Bang No Bull Brilliant Titanium Flash. All right, those would be so cool right there. Some more Black Cat. Put those right there. We have PGI brand 25th anniversary. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of those. Let's see, we have some Bikini Beach. I've seen these a lot on YouTube, but I've never shot these myself, so I'm looking forward to doing those. Let's see what else we got. All right, we got another 50 pack of Vixen. Red or green, then boom. Awesome. Let's dig in here. Okay. All I can read on here is unicorn. Those look cool. I bet those are cool. So can't wait to try those out. All right, we have some whistling chasers. I've shot these before. These are so much fun. I love those. All right. Lit dynamite. All right, 10 piece. Let's see if I can open these real quick. Take a peek in there. See what they look like. Oh yeah. Those are gonna be so much fun right there. I'll find something to do with them. All right. Getting back into the bag. Oh, here we go, another handful. Some more of the Vixen 16 packs. 1, 2 of those. We have Tank firecracker. 2 packs of those. Reach in here, another handful. My goodness. Okay, another pack of the Vixen. Another pack. Another pack. Another pack. Man, this is awesome. All right. Here is a 2-inch Tank firecracker. All right, all right. Liking 2-inch. All right, let's see. We have Ground Bloom Flowers by Wise Guy. Cool. Never done that brand, so I'm gonna put these right there. I bet those are cool. All right, we have Alien Star Bombs. A bang that's out of this world. It's a pack of 50. We're gonna see through out of this world. We're definitely gonna try them. All right, we got Ground Bloom Flowers by Lightning Bolt. Never done that brand either, so. Then we have, looks like firecrackers. It's all in Chinese, I reckon. I can't read it, but hey, I'm sure they're good, so we'll test them out. All right, these probably jumping jacks maybe, or firecrackers, I'm not sure. Don't say, but let's say we'll find out when we shoot them. Big bobbers. All right, never done these before either, so looking forward to doing that. Man, there's so much stuff in here. I got some more firecrackers. Those are pretty big. Awesome. Man. I'm in pyro heaven right now. Some more firecrackers. Look at those things, man. We're gonna blow up some pumpkins or something. Maybe some watermelons. I'll do something with them. Promise you that. Alright. Couple more things. Man, look at that. Another bag full of stuff. See if I can open it. Kinda see what's in there. More firecrackers. Supercharged maximum load. Got 2 packs of those. Ooh, some old jumping jacks. I love some jumping jacks. I ain't had no jumping jacks in a while. Can't find them around here. So. Another pack of jumping jacks. 12 piece. What's this? We got Bambino crackers by King Bird. 12 piece. Now, I really never done none of these before. I ain't never seen these before, so that's cool. Got to try those out. 2 packs of those. More firecrackers. More jumping jacks. Man. Mobster firecrackers. 2 packs of those. Window Fireworks flash cracker. Another pack of those. More jumping jacks. Jumbo Ground Bloom 3-color change by Shogun Fireworks. That'll be cool. All right, let's reach in here and see what got. One more thing left. Another baggie full, man. All right, let's get this open, see what's in here. Looks like a bunch of firecrackers, maybe. Rabbit scarer. Oh yeah. We'll see if we can scare the bunny rabbits around here. Oh, Kung Fu rabbits. Now I've seen these on YouTube. I know these are pretty good, so I ain't never done them, but going to soon. Another rabbit scarer. Hulk salute. Man, these are so cool. Got a couple of those. Another rabbit scarer. Another Hulk salute. Crazy Kobe. Got two of those. My goodness. Lit dynamite. Set that over there with that box of them. 9mm high velocity. Visa torpedo. Looks unique. We'll try that out. Oh yeah, safe cracker. I ain't never done any of these, but got one in my hand, so awesome. Another Kung Fu rabbit. Let's see. Canalus, maybe I'm saying that right. TP2. Green wasp. Man, at the firecrackers, man. Ground salutes. Fizzy stick. I've never done one of those. I've seen them on YouTube. Another safe cracker. Crazy rowboats. I think I'm saying that right. Got a couple of those. Another 9mm. Crazy King. Got a couple of those. And another 9mm. And then last, we have two more of the Feza Torpal, if I'm saying that right. So I've got 3 of those total. But all right, well, that's everything in the box. Man, I'm telling you, man, I really appreciate my friend doing this for me. I mean, this is amazing. I mean, this is so much good stuff right here. And I just wanted to share it with you. And I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of demos with this stuff. And I can't wait to do it. But I thank y'all for watching. Thank everyone for the recent subscribers. Thank you all for your support. You haven't shown me nothing but love. I appreciate y'all. And there's going to be lots more content coming, man. And we're just going to have a good time. But I hope everyone has a good day. And thanks for watching. And I'll definitely catch you on the next one.